Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will be doing eyebrows, and I want to take you guys to work with me to show you how I do eyebrows. And in this video we will be doing the eyebrow package, the ultimate eyebrow package, which is the lamination, the tint, and the threads. So first things first, I'm going to go in and clean my client's eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in with the lash shampoo that I use, which is the Stacy lash shampoo, and just working that in, making sure that her eyebrows are clean, there's no debris, there's no makeup and all of that stuff. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it 3 times and then move on to the other eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use my lift lotion or my lift solution by the Brow Shop, and just gonna start on the top of the eyebrows, or the inner corner of the eyebrows, and then going and ending it on the tail part of their eyebrows. And I'm just being very generous, spreading it on her eyebrows, and I will be doing the same on the other eyebrow. So now we apply the cling wrap, and I apply it straight onto their eyebrows, and then we just wait. So the waiting process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but I usually check it every 1 to 2 minutes, making sure that it's not being over processed or anything like that. And just play around with the eyebrows using your micro swabs and just check if it's flexible enough and it's easily movable. And when it is, then that's how you know it's done, and you can scrape off any excess solution and stuff like that, and just take off the cling wrap and place the hair how you want it or how the client wants it, and then you can go ahead and apply your setting solution. So here I'm just taking off any excess lotion, and as you can see, their eyebrows are very flat on their skin. That means it's done processing, and I'm just scraping off any excess, and I just want to cover it up one last time. But yeah, so pretty much you just want to scrape it off and then remove any products on their eyebrows. So here you will see me give the mirror to my client so she can see how her eyebrows are gonna look. So pretty much I'm asking her how she wants it, like how thick she wants it, how thin she wants it, how fluffy, how slick looking, all that stuff. I'm asking my clients all these questions because once you apply the setting solution, that's it. They're stuck with it for like 6 to 8 weeks. So you want to make sure that they're seeing what you're doing before you set it, and this just saves you from all the complaints. But so here, I don't know why I'm struggling, but I was struggling like placing her top hair down. I have no idea why, but maybe I was just nervous. So yeah, pretty much I'm just asking her how she wants it, and she wants it a little bit thinner, so that's what I'm doing. And after this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the next eyebrow. Here I'm just brushing down any hair that I will be threading out and making sure that it's nice and crispy. That's I think the best part about threading, because it makes the eyebrows look so slick and clean. and I'm just marking where I will be threading. So we're gonna go ahead and set our client's eyebrows, and for this process I'm using the Set and Tint lotion by the Brow Shop and Perfecto Seal dye in the shade light brown. And when I apply this solution, I'm making sure that I don't touch how the hairs are placed, because you will mess it up. So just make sure you're being careful when it comes to that. And then also you will see me clean around the eyebrows as well to make sure that, you know, it's nice and clean, it's not messy looking. And yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. Also here you will see me apply some setting solution on their inner corner of their eyebrows. It's just only because I feel like there's not enough setting solution on there, and I feel like their eyebrows is not gonna set. So I just apply some lotion on there with no tint just to help it set.
Let's get scratching.
So now we wait. So the waiting process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And for this process, you don't need any cling wrap or anything like that. And to know that it's done, you will see that the hair will go back to its natural state, which it will become thicker again. And the dye and the solution will almost look dry, like it's drying out. And then once that's happening, you go ahead and wipe it off with your wet cotton pad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply oil on her eyebrows, and here I'm also telling her to make sure that she keeps her eyebrows oiled as well. I tell my clients to oil their eyebrows every night for 6 weeks, just a part of their skincare routine. And then after this, we're gonna go ahead and thread the eyebrows. So now we're gonna go ahead and thread.
Let's get scratching.
In some cases, if I don't get all the hairs out, I just go in with my tweezer and I just tweeze whatever hairs that I didn't get with the thread. And that's it, you guys. If you want to see the before and after, stay tuned till the end of this video. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my videos and supporting me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely be making more videos like this. It was so fun taking you guys to work with me, showing you what I do. And till then, I will see you guys in the next video.